Wagwan, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, big up Father God over here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make my curry shrimp. Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm using for my curry shrimp. So this is the shrimp I'm using. They already deveined, just have to wash them. I'm using some coconut milk. Here this is some onion and sweet pepper cut up. This is the curry I'm using, better pack curry. This is the season I'm using, my own season. I'm gonna leave a link where I could get this season. I'm using some corn, some carrot. I'm using some Irish. This is some onion to burn in the curry. This is some ginger. Here I have some scallions. Here I have some garlic chopped up. Here I have some lime juice to wash the shrimp. I have some thyme and some pimento berries. Alright, so now I'm going to wash the shrimp with the lime juice. As I tell you, they're already deveined. See? They're deveined already. Just to wash with the lime juice. Gonna rinse them a second time. Okay, now I'm going to season the shrimp them. And I'm using my all-purpose season. Remember, I'm going to leave a link where you could get this season. Alright, just like that. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of green season. Alright. For the curry, I'm going to burn the curry in the oil. So you could get the green season recipe on my website. Okay, my people, now I'm going to start off with the oil. That much oil is good. Now I'm starting off with the onion. I'm going to add the garlic. Now I'm adding the ginger. One tablespoon of curry powder. And remember, we're burning the curry so that the curry could cook. Now I'm going to add the thyme. I'm going to add the pimentos. Now I'm adding the rest of onions and sweet pepper. Lots of veggie for this one, people. Now I'm going to add the scallions. Now I'm going to add roughly 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. The same one I use on the shrimp just now. Use on the veg. Alright, this smells so good. 1 cup of coconut milk. Now I'm going to cover it, allow it to come to a boil. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Okay, my people, now it's boiling. Now I'm going to add roughly 2 cups of hot boiling water from the kettle. Just like that. Now I'm going to cover it for another 4 minutes before I add the carrot and corn and potatoes. Okay, my people. So now 4 minutes already gone. I'm going to add the carrots. Going to add the corn. Now I'm going to add the Irish. And I like when I'm making curry shrimp, it have a lot of veg in there, okay? Now I'm going to add a pepper, but I'm not going to burst it. Going to cover it up and allow those to cook before I add the shrimp. Okay, my people, now I'm going to add the shrimp. And remember, the reason why I put the shrimp last, I don't want them to overcook, okay? So I'm just going to add them in here, so for 4 minutes. Cut that. Just 4 minutes, my people. Nothing more than 4 minutes, okay? Now I'm going to cover it up for 4 minutes. Okay, my people, now I'm going to turn off the stove. The shrimp they already cooked. Exact 4 minutes. You don't want them to overcook, okay? If you overcook it, it's gonna taste like rubber. So now I'm going to take them off the stove immediately. Alright, my people, now I'm going to pour the shrimp in here. Look at that. How nice this is, my people. Curry shrimp.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.